Today's video shows how to use bench mode to read BMW MSV90 DME ISN. We can click the help document to view the connection diagrams. Check the required accessories. Install the MSV90 interface board. Show the CAN resistor on the OBP-ICP adapter to the CAN to our drain side. Connect the MSV90 DME. Connect the ACDP host. Open the mini ACDP app. Click BMW. Click DME ISN. Click bench mode rewrite DME ISN. Click Siemens potential DME. Click F chassis. Select option based on the engine computer model. Click M52 MSV90. Click Read ISN. Please connect the ACDP host with DME and click Continue. Confirm the system information and save the screenshot. Click Continue. Please take a screenshot and export the ISN date. Click Export. Please note the file storage path. Click Save on the bottom right corner. ISN date is exported successfully. Thanks for watching.